Namaste. In our 20 years of work at Enable India, we have accelerated opportunities for persons with vision impairment. Today, the highest fresher's salary of a visually impaired is 43 times higher than the median per capita income in India. Did you know that persons with vision impairment work across 27 sectors in 21st century's cutting edge jobs like network engineer, MIS executive, firefighter auditor, which conventionally require eyesight? When I say this to people, I generally get the raised eyebrows and with disbelief and curiosity. Our solution, iTool, has played a significant role in creating that level playing field for persons with vision impairment in the open labor market. As we all know, the light travels faster than sound, and persons with vision impairment work on computer using screen reader that reads things on the screen sequentially. But a sighted can see things on the screen parallelly and hence has advantage. So how do we make visually impaired truly competitive and productive at work? The secret really lies in the world-class methodology that is evolved at Enable India with the human-centric insights. So how do we scale these insights and reach it to 2.2 billion persons with vision impairment out there in the world? We need a solution that is easy to use, accessible, and reduces dependency on expert trainers. And that unique exact solution is our iTool. The true value of our self-learning solution iTool can be seen with an example of Cornelius. Cornelius is a visually impaired and comes from small village in Meghalaya, one of the northeastern states in India. When he came to Enable India, had very little exposure. So how do we make people like Cornelius job ready with speed, efficiency, and confident like anybody else? Since Cornelius had very little experience of using technology, he needed lots of practice on working on computers. The iTool provided him with the choice of over 400 plus exercises, concepts ranging from computer basics, Microsoft tools, and internet to practice over and over again. iTool saw every action of Cornelius on the computer and gave him instant feedback. Cornelius, since he's visually impaired by birth, also struggled to understand what was happening on the screen. For example, I remember he struggled to understand what is a cursor and how does it function. So iTool taught him how to visualize and made him efficient on the computer. Now, with this accuracy and speed that he had gained, today Cornelius works as a spam management executive in one of the reputed email companies. Today he works with the lightning speed on the computer. He processes over 100 emails in a day with just 5 to 10-second turnaround time on each email. Like Cornelius, 10,000 users across 20 states in India and 14 countries have benefited from using iTool. Now we want to scale this, and our big, hairy, audacious goal is to reach out to 1 million visually impaired users in next 5 years. And our key strategic priority is to make this tool available in the countries where there is large population of visually impaired, or on the countries where inclusion and digital empowerment is on their development agenda, or in the in the countries where already there are organizations working in this space. The replication of iTool in Chile is particularly important to us as we have an opportunity to replicate the tool in the business environment and help the inclusion of persons with vision impairment in the open labor market. Enable India will be the knowledge partner, and we will provide access to software, training content. We would like to partner with disability people organizations, skilling and training institutes, academic institutes, uh, local governments, employers, business associations, and donors. Business model to achieve this replication. Like in India, we hope to make this tool available for free of cost for the end users. We want to ensure that persons with vision impairment have zero barriers in accessing this tool. In India, we have a funder who is committed for 3 years. We need access to financial resources when it comes to Chile for the following. To localize the software and the training content to the Chilean context, build the capacities and train the trainers of Chilean organizations, to do the project management, monitoring and evaluation of the project. In conclusion, let me illustrate the impact that we will make when we replicate the tool through my own personal journey. 25 years ago, I used to depend on my mother for the simplest thing like reading newspaper for getting cricket updates. Today, because I am digitally empowered with right techniques and inputs, I have transformed myself from being a dependent to a leader who is spearheading digital empowerment mission for persons with vision impairment. Today, I take pride in reading out news to my wife, and I'm a primary breadwinner of my family and a proud taxpayer. I invite all of you to join me in making more visually impaired as active citizens and nation builders. You can reach me on my email ID, moses@enableindia.org, for taking the conversations forward. Thank you very much.